Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to make this really super stitch. I added a little twist to it myself, so I don't know if you've seen it anywhere else. If you have, well, they must both have the same imagination as I do. Anyway, that's the front, and nothing really to see in the back's just plain. If you like this ribbing, I will put a link to it underneath. We have a video to do that as well. It's really pretty. So it's a multiples of 5 stitches plus 2 edge stitches, and it's 6 rows, which is really easy, and a beginner really could do it very easy. So let's get started. My needles. So on my needles I have not a lot, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5 and 2 edge stitches. Okay, so the first row is really easy. It's a knit row, simple as that. A knit row, which is really easy. There's 2 pattern rows in this design. 2 pattern rows, that's all. The rest is just plain and purl. There you go, that's row 1, a knit row. Right, row 2 is a purl row. Simple as that, it's a purl row. To the end, last stitch. There we go. Okay, so row 3 is knit your edge stitch, and then it's knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over. That's all there is to it. Edge stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. Do that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. That's it. Edge stitch. Very easy. Now next row is purl row. And there's just one other row to do, but this is a purl row, which is important. Purl the last stitch for some reason. So this is row 5 and it's a knit row. And so far. Now last row. Okay, this is the last row, and this is your knit your first stitch. Okay, and then it's knit 2, purl 1, knit 2. That's it. Edge stitch, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2. Okay, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, and this is your edge stitch, and that is the pattern. Basically doesn't look much on those little 6 rows there, but when you put it on a larger scale, look at that. I love that. I think it's really pretty, and it is 5 multiples of 5 stitches, 2 edge stitches, and it's a 6 row repeat. So nice, really is. Very easy too. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short video, short but sweet. If you have, like, share, subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video. Happy knitting!